Let's talk about the Crunchwrap Supreme, the fast food icon with layers, texture, and that signature crunch. It's more than just a menu item, it's a cultural phenomenon, a late-night craving, and a comfort food all rolled into one. People have lined up for it, debated its best fillings, and even tried to recreate it at home. But what makes it so legendary? It's a legend for a reason. Seasoned beef, melty nacho cheese, a crunchy tostada shell, all wrapped in a warm tortilla. Each bite is a perfect balance of flavors and textures, with every layer playing its part. The beef brings the savory punch, the cheese oozes into every crevice, and the tostada shell delivers that unmistakable crunch. It's a symphony of taste and texture all in one handheld package. But why settle for the drive-thru when you can make it even better at home? Imagine customizing every ingredient, making it exactly how you like it and enjoying it fresh from your own kitchen. No waiting in line, no soggy shells, just pure, homemade satisfaction. The genius of the Crunchwrap is its construction, a perfectly folded grilled tortilla that keeps everything warm and mess-free. It's a feat of fast food engineering designed to be eaten on the go, but just as perfect for a cozy night in. The fold is what locks in all the goodness, making every bite as satisfying as the first. You get the soft exterior, savory beef, cool lettuce and tomato, creamy sour cream, and, bam, that crunch. Every layer is a new experience, and together, they create something truly special. It's a flavor journey, from the first bite to the last crumb. Making it at home means you control every layer, from the beef to the toppings. Want extra cheese? Go for it. Prefer spicy salsa or a vegetarian twist? The choice is yours. You're the architect of your own Crunchwrap masterpiece. Homemade is always better. Fresher ingredients, more flavor, and endless customization. You can use the best produce, your favorite sauces, and even experiment with new fillings. The possibilities are endless, and the results are always delicious. This isn't just a copycat, it's an upgrade. You're taking the Crunchwrap to new heights, making it your own, and turning a fast food favorite into a homemade hero. We're making the ultimate Crunchwrap, one that'll make you forget the drive-thru. This is the version you'll crave, the one you'll want to share with friends and family, and the one that'll have everyone asking for seconds. Whether you're a kitchen pro or a total beginner, I'll walk you through every step. We'll break down the process, from prepping the ingredients to mastering the fold, so you can make a Crunchwrap that's just as good, if not better, than the original. From seasoning the beef to the perfect fold, you'll see how simple it is to get that iconic crunch and flavor. No special equipment needed, just a skillet, some fresh ingredients, and a little bit of Crunchwrap magic. By the end, you'll be a Crunchwrap making machine, ready to impress anyone lucky enough to get a bite. Your kitchen will be the new go-to spot for Crunchwrap cravings, and you'll have a recipe you'll want to make again and again. Ready to transform your kitchen into Crunchwrap HQ. Let's get started and make some magic happen. First, gather your ingredients. Quality matters more than you might think. The fresher and more vibrant your ingredients, the better your Crunchwrap will taste. Take a moment to check your pantry and fridge, and make sure you have everything you need before you start. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef. 80-20 is best for flavor and juiciness. Plus a packet of taco seasoning to give your filling that classic, zesty kick. Gather large flour tortillas, at least 10 inches wide so you can fold them easily. Crunchy tostada shells for that signature crunch. Creamy nacho cheese sauce, cool sour cream, crisp shredded lettuce, and juicy diced tomatoes. Don't forget a generous handful of shredded Mexican cheese blend. This will melt beautifully and hold everything together. For tools, you'll want a large skillet for browning the beef and crisping up your Crunchwrap, and a sturdy wooden spoon for stirring and breaking up the meat. A cutting board and a sharp knife are essential for prepping your veggies. Make sure your knife is nice and sharp for clean, easy cuts. Set out a few bowls for your toppings. This keeps everything organized and makes assembly much smoother. No fancy equipment needed, just your hands, a bit of confidence, and a willingness to have fun in the kitchen. Take a few minutes to prep everything before you start cooking. Having your ingredients chopped, measured, and ready to go makes the assembly process a total breeze. This mise-en-place approach keeps your kitchen running smoothly and helps you avoid any last-minute scrambling. Don't skimp on freshness. Choose the best produce and cheese you can find. High-quality ingredients truly make a huge difference in the final flavor and texture. Clear your counter, set out your gear, and make sure your workspace is tidy. A clean, organized kitchen helps you focus and enjoy the process. The better your prep, the better your Crunchwrap. With everything ready, you're set for a fun and delicious cooking adventure. Let's get started. The beef is where it all begins, the star of the show, and the foundation of every great Crunchwrap. It's truly the heart of the Crunchwrap, bringing all the flavors together in every bite. Start by heating your skillet over medium-high heat. Once it's hot, add the ground beef, letting it sizzle as it hits the pan. Use a spatula to break up the beef as it cooks. Work it into small, even crumbles so every bite is perfectly textured. Let the beef cook, stirring occasionally, until it's beautifully browned and no longer pink. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once browned, drain off most of the excess grease, but be sure to leave just a little behind. That bit of fat adds richness and flavor you don't want to miss. Next, sprinkle in your favorite taco seasoning. Be generous. This is where the magic happens. Stir well to coat every bit of beef with those bold spices. Let the spices toast for about a minute, stirring constantly. This step deepens the flavor and makes your kitchen smell incredible. Add a 1/4 cup of water to the skillet. Stir everything together and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until the beef is saucy and infused with flavor. The result should be juicy, flavorful beef that's ready to be the star of your Crunchwrap. Remove the skillet from the heat and set it aside, letting the beef rest while you get everything else ready. This beef is the foundation of your Crunchwrap. Get it right, and every layer you add will shine even brighter. With the beef done, it's time to prep your fresh toppings. Think crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and all your favorites. Let's move on to the next step and build something delicious. Now, let's prep the toppings that make the Crunchwrap sing. Warm your nacho cheese sauce until smooth and spreadable. Shred iceberg lettuce, dry it well to avoid sogginess. Dice ripe Roma tomatoes for fresh bursts of flavor. Stir your sour cream for easy spreading. Use a Mexican cheese blend, pre-shredded or freshly grated. Organize everything in bowls for a smooth assembly line. These toppings bring the cool, creamy, and fresh contrast to the warm, savory beef. Don't overdo it. Balance is key. With everything prepped, you're ready for assembly. Let's build your masterpiece. Here comes the fun part. Assembly time. Layering is everything, and every step counts. Lay a large tortilla flat on your prep surface. Spread warm nacho cheese right in the center. Add a generous scoop of beef on top of the cheese layer. Place a tostada shell over the beef. This is your essential crunch. Spread sour cream over the tostada, gently and evenly. Sprinkle lettuce and tomatoes evenly. Top with a handful of shredded cheese. Don't overstuff. Leave enough room to fold. Your Crunchwrap is built and ready for the signature fold. Next up, sealing the deal. Let's fold and grill to perfection. The fold is key. Don't stress, it's easier than it looks. Fold the edge of the tortilla over the center, then keep folding around, overlapping each section to form a hexagon. If there's a hole in the center, patch it with a tortilla scrap. Flip the Crunchwrap seam side down. Heat your skillet over medium. Place the Crunchwrap seam side down to seal. Grill 2 to 3 minutes until golden, then flip and repeat. Both sides should be crisp and sealed. That's it, your Crunchwrap is ready. The fold keeps everything inside, the grill gives it crunch. Time to serve. Let's talk customization. You've made a Crunchwrap Supreme that rivals the original, but don't stop here. Customize it. Swap beef for chicken, turkey, pulled pork, or plant-based protein. Use dairy-free cheese or add extra veggies like sautéed peppers or corn salsa. Spice it up with jalapenos or hot sauce, or try chipotle aioli for a smoky twist. For parties, set up a Crunchwrap bar so everyone can build their own. The possibilities are endless. Make it yours. Fun fact, the Crunchwrap Supreme debuted nationwide in 2006 and became an instant hit. Now you've got the secret at home. Serve hot, maybe with extra nacho cheese for dipping, and enjoy every bite.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow. create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.